Welcome everyone to DominusX, the home for free, professional crypto trading education. If you're completely new to cryptocurrency, or even if you already have some experience, you are in the right place. This channel is not about flashy graphics, heavy editing, or unnecessary hype. This is about real knowledge, explained step by step, in a simple, professional, and powerful way, for a worldwide audience. This is just the introductory session of our free crypto trading course. From here, we'll build together, video by video, until you become confident in the world of cryptocurrency. What is cryptocurrency? Let's start with the basics. What exactly is cryptocurrency? At its core, cryptocurrency is digital money. Unlike the dollars, euros, or rupees crypto lives entirely online. It's not printed by governments. It's not controlled by banks. Instead, it is built on a technology called blockchain. Some key features of cryptocurrency: decentralized. No single authority controls it. Borderless. You can send Bitcoin from New York to Tokyo within minutes. Transparent. Every transaction is recorded publicly. Limited supply. Many cryptos like Bitcoin have a cap, which creates value over time. Think of cryptocurrency as the Internet of money. Just as the Internet changed how we share information, crypto is changing how we exchange value worldwide. What is blockchain? Now, let's go deeper. Blockchain technology. Imagine a digital notebook that is shared across thousands of computers all around the world. Every time a transaction happens, it's written on this notebook. But here's the magic. Once something is written, it cannot be erased or changed. That notebook is called a blockchain. Each page of the notebook is a block, and when one page is full, it connects to the next page, forming a chain. That's why we call it blockchain. Blockchain gives us security. Because information is stored across thousands of computers, it's almost impossible to hack. Trust. You don't need to trust one company or person. The system itself is trustless. Transparency. Anyone can view the transactions. Without blockchain, cryptocurrency wouldn't exist. But with blockchain, we now have not just digital money, but also smart contracts, NFTs, decentralized apps, and so much more. Many people think cryptocurrency is only about making quick money, but in reality, it's much bigger. This is about the future of finance. It's about freedom, decentralization, and opportunity. Yes, trading and investing can give profits, but the real value is in understanding. When you understand blockchain and crypto deeply, you are not just chasing trends. You are preparing yourself for the next global financial revolution. And remember, every expert was once a beginner. So whether you are starting today or already advanced, this channel will guide you step by step. Your journey begins now. What this course includes: this is just the intro video. On DominusX, we will cover cryptocurrency basics for absolute beginners, advanced strategies for experienced traders, separate videos on Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other major cryptos, how to trade, how to invest, and how to manage risks, deep dives into blockchain, DeFi, NFTs, and much more. Each topic will be uploaded as a separate professional video, so you can learn step by step at your own pace. This course is designed for worldwide learners, simple, clear, and powerful. So if you're serious about learning crypto, not just for today but for the future, make sure to subscribe to DominusX, like this video, comment with your thoughts and questions, and share this channel with your friends worldwide. Together, we are not just trading crypto, we are understanding it. And knowledge is the most valuable currency in the world.